In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import settings into Brave browser. If you're moving to Brave browser from another browser and want to bring your important browsing data with you, you're in the right place. Importing your bookmarks and settings can save you time and make the transition much smoother by allowing you to continue browsing with the information you've already saved. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of importing your data into Brave browser so you can get up and running quickly. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to finish loading. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the main menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open the browser's menu and access additional options. After the menu appears, move your cursor over the option labeled Bookmarks and Lists. This will open an additional menu containing tools and features related to bookmark management. Within this expanded menu, select Import Bookmarks and Settings. This feature is designed specifically for users who want to transfer browsing information from another browser into Brave. When the import window opens, you'll see a drop-down menu near the top. Click on this menu to view the available browsers that Brave can import data from. Depending on the browsers installed on your computer, you may see options such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or other supported browsers. Take a moment to browse through the list and select the browser that contains the information you'd like to transfer. By choosing a source browser, you're telling Brave where to retrieve your existing browsing data. This can help preserve your familiar browsing setup and make switching browsers much more convenient. Once you've selected the appropriate browser, click the Import button to begin the process. Brave will start transferring the available data from the selected browser into your Brave profile. This may include bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and other supported settings depending on what is available for import. After starting the import process, allow Brave some time to complete the transfer. The amount of time required can vary depending on how much information is being imported. Smaller collections of data may finish almost instantly, while larger amounts of browsing information could take a little longer. When the import process is complete, you'll see a Done button appear. Click this button to close the import window and return to the browser. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully imported your bookmarks and settings into Brave browser, making it easier to continue browsing without losing your important data. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.